Hello, good morning, my dear students. We have already started the chapter The Adventures of Toto. Okay, now you can open your books because now you are having books with you. Even if you are not having those books, please listen to my video, what I am speaking, and then you can follow what we have to do. I am going to read out two paragraphs for you. Please follow, understand, try to comprehend. Yes, so this is your chapter. It is about Ruskin Bond's Adventures of Toto. I am reading out the paragraph to you. Grandfather bought Toto from a Tonga driver for the sum of 5 rupees. Long time back, 5 rupees was a pretty big sum. Nowadays, we don't value 5 rupees at all. But at that time, it was very valuable. The Tonga driver used to keep the little red monkey tied to a feeding trough. And the monkey looked so out of place there that grandfather decided he would add the little fellow to his private zoo. So Ruskin Bond's grandfather, who lived in Dehradun, he had a private zoo for himself. He has made it for himself, and in it he had kept many such types of animals which he found on the road, who were suffering, who were injured, or maybe very hungry. He brought those animals to his home. Not very big animals, but animals like tortoises. Then we have monkeys, then cats and dogs, like this. Toto was a pretty monkey, and his bright eyes sparkled with mischief beneath his deep-set eyebrows. So when you look at a monkey, you know that a monkey is not a very simple animal. Actually, it is very mischievous because it tries to follow what human beings do. So we cannot actually keep a monkey as a pet in our homes. Yes, children? Okay. And his teeth, which were a pearly white. Please, if you are holding a pencil in your hands, please underline this phrase, pearly white. Pearly white means as white as pearls. Pearls are the motis. The moti is called pearls. Were very often displayed in a smile that frightened the life out of elderly Anglo-Indian ladies in Ruskin Bond's house, because Ruskin Bond himself was an Anglo-Indian. But his hands looked dried up as though they had been pickled in the sun for many years. Rough. Normally the hands and the legs of the monkey are very rough. They don't use cream all the time, and never. So the hands, they are always very rough. Yet his fingers were very quick and wicked. Wicked means shrewd, not cruel. Wicked means shrewd, because he was very quick at using his fingers. And his tail, while adding to his good looks, tail of the monkey added to his good looks, means it was just as we have eyebrows to brighten up our face, to beautify our face. Similarly, the monkey has a long tail which beautifies it. Grandfather believed a tail would add to anyone's good look. Also served as a third hand. So, monkeys, they use their tails when they are hanging from the trees, and when they are jumping from one tree to the other, they use their tails. He could use it to hang from a branch, and it was capable of scooping up any delicacy that might be out of reach of his hand. Whenever he want to, means scoop something, means to catch something or bring something to his mouth, wherever his hand were not reaching there, they uses their tail to do that work. Grandfather always fussed when grandfather brought home, sorry, grandmother always fussed. Fussed means she got very annoyed or very angry. Why grandfather was bringing all the animals one by one to his private zoo? He brought some home, some new bird or an animal. So it was decided that Toto's presence should be kept secret from her until she was in a particular good mood. So now see the dominance of a woman in a house. She does not allow any animal or a bird to be brought in her house. But grandfather is very adamant. He had brought that monkey into the house, but he is hiding from her. He is keeping the monkey Toto as a secret. So where was he kept till the grandmother came to know about him? Grandfather and I. Now who is I here? Children, I is Ruskin Bond. Grandfather and I put him away in a little closet opening into my bedroom wall. There where he was tied very securely, means the grandfather used to look at him, took care of him also, or so we thought, to a peg fastened into the wall. Peg means a nail and a thread and a rope around the neck of Toto the monkey, and he was fastened on the wall. A few hours later, when grandfather and I came back to release Toto, when they went to see him after some time, they were shocked to see what he had done, because in the beginning we have already learnt and studied that monkeys are very mischievous. We found that the walls, which had been covered with some ornamental paper chosen by grandfather, now stood out as naked brick and plaster. Naked means with nothing on them. Sometimes we cover the walls with paints. Some people, they cover the walls with wallpapers also. But the monkey had torn all those papers from the wall. Now stood out as naked brick and plaster. So students, I'll finish here only. Now whatever words are difficult for you to understand, please underline them. And just as I have read, you also have to read it the same way. And please improve your reading skill. Tomorrow we will continue after that. Thank you.